Is your Netflix loading on your iPhone? Whenever you open the app or try to play a video on Netflix, if you're buffering, lagging, or keep loading, please follow these 4 advanced troubleshooting guides. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Solution 1. Solve internet issues. Open Setting, scroll down, tap Mobile or Cellular. Scroll down, turn on the Wi-Fi Assist. Quickly after that, switch your network from their mobile data to Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi to mobile data. Solution 2. Turn on background data for the Netflix app. Open Setting, scroll down, tap General, scroll down, tap Background App Refresh, tap Background App Refresh from here. Select Wi-Fi and cellular data. Go back. Make sure to toggle on this option for Netflix. Solution 3. Offload Netflix app. Open Setting, scroll down, tap General, tap iPhone Storage, find out the Netflix app, tap Offload, tap Offload. Quickly after that, now move on and try to restart your iPhone. After that, try to play any video or mobile from Netflix. Hopefully, your problem will be solved. Now, if you still have anything to ask, please ask me in the comment section.